The Motley Patriot here. We've been doing a lot of quiet walks today, but I've been chomping at the bit to talk more. It's an exercise in restraint, and that exercise is now over. Anyway, we are here, interestingly enough, in what was once Princess Anne County. Let me read this one to you. Princess Anne County was formed in 1691 and ceased to exist in 1963 when it merged with the Virginia Beach Resort to become the city of Virginia Beach. This courthouse, established in 1820, was the last county seat. An American Indian tribe, the Chesapeake, lived in this region of Virginia before the English arrived. In the 17th century, the Virginia Beach area also was governed as the Virginia Colony in 1607 to 1634. Elizabeth City Shire in 1634 to 1636, New Norfolk County in 1636 to 1637, and Lower Norfolk County in 1637 to 1691. Boy, that sure sounds like a power struggle. Anyway, no, it's this. No, it's that. Well, let me do this. I'm sort of wobbling a little bit today because, as you can imagine, running 45 miles an hour in a jet ski, an 1100cc jet ski, I was fine with it, never fell. Little did I realize, I sure was pushing them upper thighs. So if you get a little camera wobble, let's just hope the, anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. Here we go. Let's take a walk. Lots of flowers, very nice. So this is definitely a shire. It's interesting because you wouldn't know it. But, so obviously this is on the southern end of Cape Henry. What a lovely courthouse. Kind of reminds me of something like Spotsylvania Courthouse, although this seems to be a lot more grand. It's really beautiful. They've got the bell. Oyez, oyez. Wonderful building. Wow. 1820. Huh. Lovely. Well maintained. So nice to see. Absolutely lovely. Well, we can keep walking. Let me go to, yeah, we're on wide view. To be honest, I never quite realized there was so much going on over here. One thing is that a lot of this land, by my observations, they have to use a lot of drainage ditches to drain the land. I saw one over there by the Whitehurst property. You wouldn't know it. You're walking along and then all of a sudden, bam, there's a big drainage ditch, kind of like what you see in Florida. How interesting. One of the roads that comes up to here is Holland Drive, Princess Anne Drive. Maybe they hired a bunch of the Dutch to come in here and drain the land. I know they're pretty good at it. I'm sure the English are as good at it as well. But anyway, lovely courthouse. Oh, oh yay, we found another. Circuit Court of Princess Anne. Judges, Honorable Robert S. Wahab, or Wabb, Jr., Honorable Richard B. Kellum. Board of Supervisors, S. Paul Brown, Chairman, Lottie, Whitehurst. There we go. Oh, Pollock, Carol Clow, James Snyder, James Darden, Kenneth Whitehurst, Richard Webbin, John Fentress, Robert Simpson, Etheridge, Mapp Marr, Bernard, John Marr Sheriff, Spiegel, Construction, 1961. Interesting that there is a Whitehurst name surrounding. Kind of neat. Wish I could find some more of those plaques. But suffice to say, it's a nice view. The Motley Patriot, bringing you the tour of historic Virginia Beach, Princess Anne, whatever it was called. There's all kinds of names around here. I'll go back to the beginning of this video and read that signage. But anyway, same deal. Lovely, magnificent trees. It's been here for a day or two. Lovely smell. Wonderful place. Highly recommend a walk out here. It's a lovely, lovely area. I gotta tell you, I've been coming to Virginia Beach for a long time. Never really noticed, never thought much about this. I think all the roads that go through here all look like large, high traffic roads that have been modernized. So you're going to end up driving right by a lot of this stuff all the time. But anyway, we're here by the Whitehurst, where they had a jail on this property back in the late 1600s. So cool place. Molly Patriot, bringing you historical coolness. Like and subscribe. Tell all your friends. We're searching for 500 subscribers, and I'm at 470 something. I'm almost there, so hit that button. And notifications too, if you feel so inclined. Or mute me. That's understood too. I mute my own self sometimes. Molly Patriot, thanks again.